The holidays are basically here, and if you're still shopping for gifts, you're not late, you're normal. Between trying to wrap things up at work, preparing to host family, traveling, or just surviving December, gift shopping tends to fall to the bottom of the list. So today, I'm breaking down the best last-minute Christmas gifts you can buy right now and still have in time. All links to these products will be available in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 10. Blink Mini 2 Plug-in Smart Security Camera, $18. This tiny indoor security cam is a smart home staple. 1080p motion detection, two-way talk, and alerts straight to your phone. It's perfect for pet monitoring, nighttime security, or checking in on your place while you're out. At about $18, it's one of the lowest cost ways to make your home smarter and safer this year. Number 9. Amazon Smart Plug, $15. Turn any dumb device into a smart one with this plug. Plug in a lamp, fan, coffee maker, then control it with Alexa. Schedules, timers, and voice commands make everyday tasks automatic. Starting around $15 to $20, this is one of the easiest ways to upgrade your home without a hub. Number 8. Amazon Echo Dot 5th Generation Smart Speaker, $32. This handy Alexa speaker is affordable and super capable. Ask for weather, music, timers, or voice control of all your smart gadgets, lights, plugs, cameras, and more. Often found near $29 to $32 during holiday discounts. It's a must-have smart hub for any room. Number 7. Amazon Echo Spot Smart Alarm Clock, $45. More than just an alarm clock, this little Alexa display shows reminders, weather, timers, and even lets you control smart home devices from the bedside. With deals around $45, it's a tiny but high-impact upgrade to any bedroom or home office. Number 6. Amazon Echo Dot Max Smart Speaker, approximately $80. If you want richer sound and Alexa intelligence, this upgraded Echo speaker delivers louder music, deeper bass, and strong voice command pickup. Around $79.99, it's perfect for living rooms or open spaces, and doubles as a smarter entertainment hub. TechRadar Life Impact, premium audio plus powerful home automation controller. Number 5. Amazon Fire TV Cube 4K Ultra HD, approximately $110. Streaming meets smart home in one box. Not only does this play 4K HDR content, but it also lets you ask Alexa to control lights, plugs, and cameras while you watch. Around $109.99, it's one of the best entertainment plus automation devices you can buy. Number 4. Amazon Echo Show 5 Smart Display, approximately $60. This compact smart display gives you visual info, weather, calendar, video calls, recipes, and smart home dashboards, all with touch and voice. Around $60 on sale, it's perfect for kitchens, desk setups, or shared living spaces. Number 3. TP-Link Topo Smart Plug Mini, Alexa and Google Home, approximately $30. Another excellent smart plug option. This one works both with Alexa and Google Home, giving you remote control, scheduling, and automation for lamps, fans, holiday lights, and more, without needing a hub. Around $29.99, it's a great addition to any smart setup. Number 2. Amazon Alexa Plus Matter Smart Starter Kit. These starter smart home bundles, Echo device plus smart plug, are massive value because they give you voice control and automation in one shot. Perfect for anyone just starting with smart home tech, and often discounted heavily during holiday sales. Number 1. Full-featured Smart Home Command Hub. Echo Show plus Smart Devices. Bundle approximately $130. These bundles combine an Echo Show smart display with security cameras or smart plugs in a single discounted pack. Around $120 to $140, they give you everything from voice commands and visual control to real security coverage. These bundle deals usually sell fast and are among the most searched smart home gift ideas this season.